Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan and today's video is going to be special because today I have brought to all of you in our cotton sarees counter. Yes friends, today I am going to show you the collection we have and that is all about cotton saree. As you can see in my background, there are thousands of varieties in a cotton, thousands of sarees, thousands of designs we have here, and today I am going to show you one of our collection from all of this. So let's move forward and see the first sample of our today's video, and that is going to be this one, which is I have found here. So friends, first sample we are going to see. First I want to show you the catalog piece. This is the catalog piece here, you can see, and same thing you are getting here. Let's open this particular piece. So look is really attractive and color combination is also really beautiful friends. Look, something this kind of thing you will get here. This is the pallu pattern and it has a different kind of pallu work inside it. So overall this fabric is good, pattern is good. Let me show you the quick something this kind of saree this will look after wearing. Friends, here I want to inform to all of you that you won't get single piece, you have to purchase whole bunch. Now which kind of bunch you will get here? So something kind of this. Oh, it's heavy. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is a set of 8 pieces, so you will get 8 different colors. Sometimes in a catalog you will get 8 different designs also. So let's move forward and see the next sample, and that is this on Malai cotton. Yes friends, in a cotton there are thousands of varieties, just like Malai cotton, PC cotton, checks cotton, kota cotton, munga cotton, and lots of. So this is kind of different. Okay, this is fully packed. Here I want to mention to all of you friends, we are the first manufacturer who is directly selling all of this things to a retailer. That's why if you are finding a place where you can get everything in one roof, so Ajmera Fashion is best place for all of you, because we have everything, just like sarees, kurtis, dress materials, ladies undergarments, blouse, petticoat, menswear, kidswear, lehenga, nighty, and lots of varieties. That's why if you want to start your business, you can definitely join us and start your own entrepreneurship. Let's move forward and see the blouse piece of this particular sample. So this is coming with a blouse piece. This is a blouse piece on a brocade base. Isn't this attractive piece? So friends, something this kind of thing you will get here. This is on work. Let's move forward. Friends, I want to confirm you here that you can order all of this online also, because there are lots of people. For all of them, it's not possible to come in a Surat, come to Gujarat and select all the collection one by one. So for all of them, we have started doing all of this online also. For that you can purchase everything online in a same rate. Yes friends, we have starting range in cotton, that is 130 rupees. Yes friends, 130 rupees starting rate in cotton sarees. In overall sarees we have 45 rupees, but in a particular cotton we have 130 rupees. So this is a traditional bandhani pattern you are getting here. Yes friends, it is really traditional and authentic saree, authentic pattern. Females from India, they usually love to wear this kind of sarees. Let's move forward to the pattern. Something this kind of overall look you will get here. Let's move forward and see this next pattern. This was on a simple printed cotton. Next sample I want to show you here, this bunch. So previous bunch which I have shown you, that was a set of 8 pieces. This particular is set of 4 pieces. So 4 colors are same, but there is a minor difference, that is the border and blouse piece. Yes friends, it is a contrast color border, same color but contrast borders and contrast butta you are getting here. So this is also very attractive, and this is set of 4 pieces. Let's move forward and look at this particular piece. This is also set friends. Let me show you the name. This is a DS Bulbul, pieces 10. This is a set of 10 pieces. Manufactured by Ajmera Fashion. Yes friends, Ajmera Fashion, a firm who manufactures everything and who sells you everything in a wholesale. That's why let me give you the example. What happens in Surat, manufacturer makes the things. Yes friends, they build things, they manufacture everything, just like sarees, kurtis. They gives all of these things to a dealer, and that dealer gives to a wholesaler, wholesaler gives that to a retailer, and that retailer sells all of this thing to a consumer. So we are the first manufacturer who is directly selling all of these things to a retailer. That's why if you are finding a place you will get where you will get everything in a lowest range, so Ajmera Fashion is best place for all of you. Let's move forward and see the next pattern. Wow, now this particular thing is kind of fusionable here, because it has a very traditional khan border. Yes friend, name of this border is khan border, and you can see the color combination and the texture of this cotton. Look, you can see I am just feeling this texture is also good. Let me show you the work. Something this kind of work you will get here, and this is the catalog piece. Friends, if you want to order something online, or else you want to see more collection, because I'm just going to show you cotton collection today, but except this we have lots of varieties. If you want to see more collection, what you can do, you can see the numbers on screen. You can just call there or message there. Our online sales executive will attend you and they will give you all the guidance which is important to order it online. So friends, this piece was also really attractive and beautiful. Let's move forward and see some light color here. This is on a Munga cotton. Yes friends, as I told you, in a cotton there are thousands of varieties, just like PC cotton, Munga cotton, Malai cotton, checks cotton. This is on Munga cotton. Look, it has a lining inside it. You can see here is kind of different work, and here is a kind of border, then different work, then border, and it has this embroidery work on it. So overall work, overall look is something you will get here. This is also set of 4 pieces. So friends, we have lots of collection, you can definitely see. And if you want to come to the Ajmera Fashion, what you can do, in description you will get address and contact numbers both, and on screen you will get numbers. You can contact there or message there. So friends, this was our video. If you want to start your business, you can definitely join us and start your own business. This was our video about cotton sarees. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan signing off.